behind what you said?
Well, the main message really is that we cannot be an isolationist party. We empathise with all nations in the world who are asking for self-determination. And the Tibetan people have been doing this for years in a peaceful and orderly way. And China is overstepping the mark by pushing this perfectly legitimate call for self-government or more self-government in this way. And we cannot pretend that it doesn't happen. You know, we conveniently forgot the Tiananmen Square incident, really. We swept it under the carpet because China is a huge market opening up for us. But we cannot go on pretending that they have their house in order.
Well, there's tremendous concern about what's happening in Tibet and the abuse of human rights and the fact that reporters are not allowed into the country. And now that the whole focus is on China with the Olympic Games coming up, we're asking governments throughout the world, but of course including Wales and Britain, not to take part in the opening ceremony, which is a token gesture, but it is a protest, and China is very sensitive to protest, particularly around the Olympic Games. We're not asking athletes from Wales not to go and not to take part, but we have to do something to show our distaste of the way China is behaving with Tibet and to show our support for the people of Tibet.